Here is something I came across recently where I found a stairway where the back of the stair treads were suffering from water damage. And the reason for that in their particular situations was the fact that the riser was sitting on top of the tread, not in back of the tread. And if you notice, we have a gap here. I don't have a gap here, even though you can install these with a gap. If you don't have a gap and you have a situation like this, where you might have installed some risers after the stairs were built or to meet local building codes, then leave a gap at the bottom. And if the stairs are working just fine, leave a gap at the top also if you don't need the riser to provide additional structural strength for this section of the stairway, the section you're going to be stepping on most of the time while you're walking up and down the stairs. So let's go ahead and take a look at the gap. This is what I would recommend. It's going to allow the water to drain away a little easier than something like this. And of course, the biggest problem with this will be any moisture that gets trapped in this area all the way along the back of the tread. For example, if you live in an area where it might be foggy a lot, high humidity, you're getting a lot of moisture on your stairs. And I've experienced a lot of this near the coast where the beaches are. And that type of moisture can destroy a set of stairs within a short period of time, maybe a few years, depending upon what type of lumber was used to build the stairs. And even if you leave a gap, you could end up with moisture absorbing into the bottom of the riser as it accumulates on top of the stair tread, where you're probably not going to have that situation here. And I'm not about to suggest you're not going to get any moisture behind the risers or the treads. That's not what I'm suggesting. I'm simply suggesting that you use this method right here if it makes sense to you.